All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 011983 and 2025 CR 008336, State versus Dustin Gonzales. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Greg Desmarais for Mr. Gonzales.
And are you Mr. Gonzales? Do you have any objections with your attorney appearing by Zoom?
No, ma'am.
All right, we're here for sentencing. State, were you able to determine if there were restitution? I think there was an agreement of restitution of $13,112.90 and one cause number.
I do believe so, Judge. I will say I did reach out to SAPD regarding the vehicle. And that was the amount I received, but regarding the victim complainant, he has not received the definite amount, so he is understanding that the court would grant waiver of that at that time, or at this time, excuse me.
So has he received the 13,000?
No, Judge.
Defense?
Judge, that's correct. The insurance is not going to pay for it. My client is prepared to pay that during this probation. I believe he has $1,000 for today that he can make towards that payment.
All right, you need to be prepared to come into court with at least $5,000. So when will you be able to have that?
Couple months.
All right, and let me just explain to you the reason why I do that. Because sometimes when people are on probation, they have this idea that they're going to make payments, and then in the middle of probation, they can't make payments. So are you sure you will have the $5,000 in a couple of months?
I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try to get. I mean, if I have to do it, I don't have nobody to ask, or the only one that I did have separated with my mom, and I can't. He basically divorced me with my father. So,
If I may, Judge,
Yes.
I'm sorry, Dustin. Realistically, you're in front of the judge. How long do you think it's going to take you, Dustin?
maybe a year. Say 30.
Oh, no, I mean $5,000.
Oh, $5,000.
Mhm.
5 months, $1,000 a month, maybe.
All right, so here's the thing. I don't know if he's gonna ever be able to pay off this $13,000. I mean, do you really believe you can pay off $13,000 in 10 years?
I can pay it off in about a year or 2 years for sure.
The 13,000?
Yeah, I mean, I had the court on October 3rd. I have $1,000 in 1 month, 12 months. That's the total, 12,000.
So how much realistically will you be able to pay per month towards this $13,000 restitution?
12,000.
Are you sure?
Yeah, positive.
Dustin, I hear you, and I appreciate the ambition. But like Judge said, things happen. I mean, is $750 better for you? Because you're going to be making payments. And if you can pay $1,000, great, get it done as soon as you can. But when you enter into it and you're in front of a judge and you're saying, this is what I'm going to do, she's going to hold you to that.
Yeah, I mean, 750 is better. I'm just trying to.
Here's
I
the
agree.
thing. Don't tell me what you think I want to hear. Tell me realistically.
Realistically, $1,000 a month is going to be hard, but I mean, 750 would be easier on me because I got another household to pay. I got child support to pay. I have a lot of things to pay, But my freedom, like with no freedom, I can't pay anything. So it's like I gotta, put this at top of the list and try
All
to get
right.
tackle it.
This is what the court will do. In cause number 2025 CR 008336, the court will find you guilty. Court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be 2 years license suspension. With regards to 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, Do you want to do the 10 days in the Bear County Jail or by GPS?
GPS, right?
Yeah, GPS, I would.
All right. And the reason why the court is giving you GPS time, State, do you have any objections to that?
No, Your Honor.
The reason why the court is doing that as opposed to the 10 days in the Bear County Jail, one, you need to pay off this restitution. Two, there are health issues there. And
Thank you,
three,
Judge.
because you have child support that you need to pay. And if you're at the jail, you're not making money towards your child support. So it's going to be 30 days GPS for employment only in lieu of the 10 days at the Bear County Jail. There's to be ignition interlock for half the term, DWI intervention course, VIP live.
I've already did that.
You need to speak with probation.
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be a referral to felony drug court. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 011983. There's to be restitution of $13,112.90 payable to Gary Nell, Nel, in installments of $500 per month. There's to be $60 payable to DPS. 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be a TAP evaluation out of custody and field visits one time per month for 6 months. Probation, is there anything else?
Yes, sorry.
There in lieu of the 10 days in the Bear County Jail, there's to be 30 days GPS for employment only. So it'll be partial. And I'll ask that the fees are waived.
Thank you, Judge.
Anything else with regards to that case? And that cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because that's a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. And 2025 CR 011983, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 008336. $200 hours of community service restitution. Again, once you completed parenting classes, that will be deemed satisfied. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Field visits one time per month for 6 months. And I'm assuming the restitution is the same in each cause number. All right. And there is to be a referral to felony drug court and TAP evaluation out of custody. Probation, is there anything else with regards to that cause number? Yes, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Anything else? All right, in that cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And there's to be no driving without a valid license. Do you understand?
Yep.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you,
Alrighty,
Judge. May I
thank
be
you.
excused, ma'am?
Yes,
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome. All right, everyone, give me 2 minutes to put this in the system.